Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on UppTalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say UppTalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
This is what we will be covering in this training. First is the basic of Workday. What Workday is, what is the model, how it stores data, integration, cloud platform, Workday web services and all that. Then we will move to, first we'll do the reports because report is the basic. For integrations, advanced report is something that we will be used. Because Workday has different reporting types, you can create different types of reports. But for integration, you can only use advanced reports. For this training, we will be doing advanced reports. We will be spending good amount of time on advanced reports because whenever you do different kind of integrations for getting data from Workday reports are the only way. Apart from web services, report is the most frequently used data source. In the report, we'll see what are different data sources, what's a business object overview, how do we create that, how do we share reports, how do we schedule them, and all that. And then we will see how we expose that report as a web service to another system. Right, that is covered in this part. Then Workday General Web Services. Where can we find them? What are those web services? How to find which operation to use and all those stuff that we will see. Then we will cover the integration business process. Everything in Workday, you do any task, it has a business process behind it. Business process is nothing but a set of events, set of actions that will happen. For integration, also, we have a business process for each integration which will define what steps are there. You can retrieve like reading a file, extracting a file, delivering a file, and then processing all that stuff. We will see that. And then security for integrations. What are system users and what are integration system security groups? And then the types of integration. First, we will do core connectors, which are predefined templates in Workday. We will see what configurations are needed to do that. Then how do we set up notifications for integrations? We will see document transformation, which is another integration type. Then we will cover EIB, which is another integration type. Both we will cover inbound and outbound integrations. And calculated fields. Calculated fields or the delivered workday fields if you want to do any calculation on top of that. Like changing the date format, performing any mathematical calculation, and all that. That's what we use calculated fields for. This is a random sequence, but we will do it sequentially that the previous topic will lead to the next topic. And in the last, we will do Workday Studio. This is just a basic of Workday Studio, not in detail. Because Workday Studio is an integration type, which is a separate training. It's a wide thing. Workday Studio is the only integration type where you will have to install a separate kind of software on your laptop to do that. For everything else, whatever we have discussed, you just need the access to the tenant. That's it. Nothing more than that. Everything can be done using the Workday tenant. Only for creating integrations via Workday Studio is when you will need to install Workday Studio. In this one, we will just cover the basics. when do we create Workday Studio integrations, how and see different components that are there and all that. This is what we will cover. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.